the quest to shoot par on the white tees continues now on Chippy Golf. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Attempt number 2 to shoot par from the whites. We've done it from the reds, we've done it from yellows. Never done it from the whites. That was one of the goals for 2023. It is extremely windy out here today, so conditions are gonna be tough. Not really expecting to do it, but hey, let's give it a shot. Let's see what we can score. Start number 1, par 4. Started it. Perfect drive right in the middle. Actually chunked at 7-iron a little bit. Short the bunker, had to get him down. I've actually taken the Hogan wedges out of my bag, these bottom techs back in, loving them. So chip up there, about 6 feet. Seymour makes the putt. We were even through 1. And that's a bogey by an inch, so had to putt through kind of a poor part of the green. Didn't make a real good read, so it's bogey. 1 over, 2 holes. Got a par 5 coming up. We'll see if we can get that shot back. Everything within my head right now is telling me do not pull that 3-wood out of the bag. But we're gonna pull the 3-wood out of the bag. That was the best strike ever because it wasn't, but we got it airborne and we got it down the fairway, so that's a success the way I've been hitting from 3-wood lately. All right, so I'm coming up. The wind is so strong, either it has knocked the flag stick out of the hole or someone didn't put it back. And it's about the 3rd little pitch mark I found these greens that people are not repairing. Repair your pitch marks, guys. That's a nice 4-putt double bogey. This wind is crazy. That was all set up. Poor approach shot, could not be short. It's on this little ridge. Had to be very defensive. But you see the second putt, once they went over the hill, it was just gone. So that's a 7. We're 3 over now for 3 holes. All right, I don't know if that was poor strike, the wind getting a combination of both. That thing just way short and way right, which way the wind's blowing. So tough up and down here for par. Bogey 4 This wind is absolutely wreaking havoc. Calm right here for a second, but it's been pretty consistent. And when it gusts, man, it's straight gusts. That was about the worst shot I could hit. So let's see if we can have to remember that shot. That's a good shot. That's a bogey 5. 4 of those shots were not good. Drive, worst shot I can hit almost. Second shot, meant to pull out my 3 hybrid, pull out my 3 wood. And I actually got down here, but I didn't hit off the toe and it kind of went to the right. Hit a great little pitch shot there, and then that putt, I'm sure we go back and watch the video. It feels like I pulled across it. So it's bogey. This wind is really wreaking havoc on my game right now. So it's tough to judge scoring too much, but through 5 holes, we're 5 over. All right, I'm way out. I could play the 3 wood. Sitting down a little bit though, so I'm gonna try a 3 hybrid. I've been struggling on that too, but let's give it a crank and see if we can just hit it straight down the fairway. It's par 5. All right, got a feeling that may be another over the top swing, and it's not helping that. That leads to a slice, and this wind is also going from left to right. So we did get it down the fairway, but it big banana slice. So a little bit off to the side here on these side hills. This is par 5, so lane 2. Let's see if we can get our 3rd shot in here close. Zoom in here, guys. Let's see if you can see what this pin is doing. It's just like the Leaning Tower of Pisa here. Did I say pizza or is it pizza? Pizza does sound good, doesn't it? I gotta eat some pizza tonight. That or a hamburger or a hot dog. How about all 3? Here's the damage from the wind. Flag's all the way over. We got a hole there. Alright, so that is a par. It's a really good 3rd shot. Hit a little chippy 8-iron, trying to keep her in the wind, and just kind of ran over the green. Just pretty good, just a heavy spin on it, and then that was about the worst little chip shot there I could hit. But able to make the putt, so we're through 6 holes, and we are 5 over. And this wind is just wreaking havoc. Next par 3 ought to be fun. Alright, so I have no idea where this hole is at. There's a flag laying down there, which I'm assuming got blown up by the wind. I'm guessing that's where the hole kind of is, but I'm not going to drive there and drive back, so I'm just going to get his shot towards the center of the green and see what happens. We are on the right side of the green, so now let's go find where the actual hole is at and see if we can't make a birdie. Another bogey, pretty shot the tee, and the first putt, the wind is just, it's really tough out here today. So through 7 holes, plus 6. drives up and down there. Par 4 keeps us to 6 over through 8 holes to go to 9th. Seems like about every 4th drive I put in one of these little warm burners. So luckily this course there's nothing to carry. That's right in the middle of the fairway. It ran down there, but I got to get better at that part, not having those issues. All right, so I'm in there with a bogey. I'm pretty sure I shot a 7 over 43, but I'll be honest, I got someone behind me and I kind of stopped, just kind of keep a score in my head, and with this wind, I'm just kind of out of it. So let's put the score in now. There you go, that's what we shot. Either way, we didn't shoot par. Today was a really tough day to score. Probably without the wind, I'm a good 3 or 4 shots better, maybe, honestly. This wind was just really, really tough. So, for the most part, tee to green, played okay, had a couple of squirrely drives. Hard to judge the approach shot with the wind, man. Hits a couple good chips and a couple poor ones. The last one's really poor one. And then putts, again, everything's just kind of hard to judge with the wind. So, didn't meet the goal though, didn't shoot par. So come back, hopefully, you know, this will help me get better. And next time we come back, maybe it won't be as windy and a little bit more better conditions as we continue to try to meet that goal to shoot par here on the front 9. So hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you have, hit that like button, subscribe if you had not already, and get in the comments below. Let me know what you think. You ever played a win like this? How'd it go? How many strokes did it make you shoot above your normal? And keep it locked until next time. I'm JB Goff.